Angela Collins Yachts presents for sale a Gib'Sea 116 Master. This 1987 Gib'Sea 116 Master is a strong, comfortable 40-foot French-built performance cruiser. The 116 has a moderate displacement hull with a reputation for stiffness, stability, and great righting capability. The hull was built by Gilbert Marine in La Rochelle, France. The fiberglass layout is thick, heavy, and overspec'd compared to contemporary light displacement production boats. It has a masthead sloop rigging, and all lines are led aft to a spacious protected cockpit with wheel steering. She was designed to be stable and comfortable, and the hull cuts through chop smoothly instead of pounding over it. It's heavily resistant to capsizing. The engine is a 49 horsepower Perkins Marine diesel. She was designed by the famous naval architecture firm of Gilbert Factory. There is a view of her cockpit with wheel steering. Below, a large classic U-shaped seating area and a table that has flaps that flap up to make more space. There's the navigation station. The U-shaped galley is secure to use at sea. Moving forward, we have a double forward cabin, which is en suite. This is looking aft towards the companionway. The door can be shut to give you some privacy, and there's a door on the heads as well. This is the second heads on the port side, next to the companionway. So she has two cabins and two heads. While the majority of the Gib'Sea 116 fleet was built as a three-cabin configuration with two heads, the Master version offers two cabins and two heads. This vessel is currently lying in Richards Bay, KwaZulu-Natal, so please contact Angela Collins Yachts to view.